In this video, I will be showing how you can draw railing within Revit. So currently I have opened three windows. You can see there is third floor, there is first floor, and there is 3D. So you can make such arrangement by opening all three of them, and then you just go to view tab, and then you click on tile views. Currently, if you open all three of the tabs, then they will all be open in this line, but I want to open them uh, in the tile view so that I can view the change automatically. Now coming back to our railing, if I go to architecture and then I click on railing, then you can see that there is a type of handrail has been selected, and also the offset is 0 feet 0 inches, and currently this box is unchanged. So let's just check on it and click on this line. Now I have modified the first floor and third floor a little bit because I just want to see the changes. So let's say up to here and up to here. You can see that I have applied uh, railing on only third floor, but I can see the change in both of the other windows as well. And currently the handrail is handrail rectangular, and I'm not doing any kind of change here. So let's just click OK. You can see that this railing has been created. So let's just go to our first floor and create another type of railing, which is glass panel, and let's say bottom panel, and apply at the same location as third floor and click OK. Now you can see that this railing is different than the first one. And let's see if I can create railings, because this was in the chain, and if I can create railing within single command at different location. So let's just delete this railing, delete it, and now I will go to third floor and go to railing, start my railing at this location, as well as apply railing here as well. So now I want to see that if I can apply railing at two different locations but within same command. Now you can see that Revit is not letting me do it because there is some kind of error, and according to the error, the railing line must be a single connected sketch. If you want separate pieces of railing, create two or more separate railings. It means that within a single command I cannot create at two different locations. So I will just continue and delete this part and click OK. Now I can create the railing, and you can see that now both of the railing are same. So you can create railings here as well as you wish. That's it for today. If you have any kind of confusion, please do ask me in the comment section.